Are you struggling to see results from your online marketing efforts? You're not alone. Many businesses invest time and resources into their online marketing plans, only to find that they're not getting the results they hoped for. In this video, we're going to explore the common reasons why your online marketing plan may not be delivering the results you want, and most importantly, how to fix them. You're running ads, posting on social media, maybe even sending emails. And still, crickets. Today, I'm breaking down 4 common reasons online marketing plans fail and how to fix them. Reason number 1, you don't have a clear target audience. If your plan is reach everyone, you'll end up reaching no one. Successful marketing speaks directly to a specific person's needs, problems, and desires. Without that focus, your message gets lost in the noise. Reason number 2, you're not setting measurable goals. Saying, I want more followers is vague. Saying, I want 500 new followers in 30 days is measurable, and it lets you track what's working and what's not. Without clear goals, you're basically throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. Reason number 3, inconsistent execution. Posting 3 times one week and disappearing for the next 2 is a fast way to lose audience trust. Marketing is about building momentum. People need to see you show up regularly before they'll buy from you. And number 4, you're not testing or optimizing. If you run the same ad for months with no changes, you could be wasting money. Test headlines, images, offers. Small tweaks can lead to huge results. Marketing is never set it and forget it. It's test, adjust, repeat. So to recap, most online marketing plans fail because no clear audience, no measurable goals, inconsistent execution, no testing or optimization. Fix these and you'll stop wasting time and money and start seeing real results. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more marketing tips, and drop a comment below telling me which of these mistakes you've made and how you're going to fix them.